Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to take up a topic which is very commonly spoken about. We all talk about our health, right? Whenever somebody hears us sneezing or coughing, people do ask us, is everything okay? Are you alright? Or what's wrong with you? So we do ask about things, or if somebody is looking sick or not well, then we do ask about them, right? Like how are they feeling? What happened to them? Or one simple question, how is your health? Okay, so we do speak about it, or what happened to you? So there are lots of ways to ask this question, and people do generally ask us these questions, right? And we do ask people about it while we are having a conversation with people. So let's take up this conversational topic today and let's speak on it. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And do check my playlist also. And again, I would like to say I appreciate people who have started speaking in the comment section. And for those who have not yet, to start writing your comments in the comment section to start speaking or interacting in English. Now let's get back to the topic. So a lot many times we get across this question like, what happened to you? Or what's wrong with you? Or you're not looking so good. Is everything okay? Or is your health fine? Or if we go to the doctor, how do we talk about our health? How do we talk about our health to people? There are lots of ways in which this question comes to us many times. So how do we answer this question? So if somebody has asked me about what's wrong with you, you're not looking good, or you didn't come to office yesterday, is everything okay? Okay, let's try answering this question. So there will be a lot of replies depending on your situation. You can just reply to this question. So I'll take up 2-3 scenarios and I'm going to reply about it. Okay, scenario 1. Yes, I was on leave yesterday. My daughter has not been keeping well. She has got cold and cough. I think probably she's got exposed to summer heat and that hit her probably. So the whole night she was very uncomfortable. Her nose was blocked and she was coughing. So it was very difficult time for me. I was also not able to sleep well. So I thought of taking a rest the other day. And that is why I took a break. So I am fine, but my daughter is not well. She is suffering from cold and cough. Okay, so this is how I answered this question. Okay, now if scenario 2, somebody has asked me, you're not looking well, is everything okay? How do I answer this question? Oh yes, I'm under the weather. The weather is changing, it's very hot outside. When I was outside yesterday, I thought of having some lemonade and ice cream. So after having that, when I came back home, my throat started itching. So I think lemonade and ice cream didn't help me. So this is how I answered this question. Okay, now coming to the third scenario, if I have to go to a doctor and I have to describe this about my health, right? What should I say? How should I describe my condition to a doctor in English? Okay, so this is scenario 3. So we have to collect all the thoughts, whatever is happening to us, and we have to say that. For example, I'm having fever from past 2 to 3 days. My nose is also very runny. I have a throat pain and I'm not able to talk and swallow food. Apart from that, I'm feeling very weak. I don't want to do anything. I don't feel like doing anything. I've been taking some warm water and steam and some paracetamol, but I think it didn't work for me. And that is why I'm here to consult you. Okay, so this is how you can describe your situation to the doctor. Whatever you're feeling, you can say, my stomach was hurting, I had loose motions, or I had vomiting, whatever. So you can just keep on adding whatever you have felt. So So this is the only thing you have to say to a doctor. So you can practice it at home. You can practice 2 to 3 times at home what you have to speak in front of the doctor, and you can keep your script ready and you can speak it. Okay, and then if he might ask 1 or 2 questions like, what temperature was there? Did you check your temperature? What was the temperature like? How many times you took the medicine, etc. He'll ask these questions. So you can answer those questions instantly on the spot. Okay, so you have to basically prepare a script for your health, like what do you need to say about your health, what all symptoms do you have, what all things you have started feeling. So you have to just tell that to the doctor. So in this case, you can just go and talk to the doctor in English, right? You can tell about your condition. So start preparing a script, start talking about your health, and it will be very easy for you to speak in English about on this topic. So many times when we wake up, we don't feel fresh, right? Sometimes we feel headache, sometimes we feel body pain, sometimes we feel feverish, sometimes we feel tired. So many days, we all feel these kind of things, and there might be a reason to it. Probably we worked late till night, we were not able to sleep at night, or there was something else, and that is why we start feeling all these things. So we can speak on it, we can just talk about it to ourselves as well, right? Today I'm not feeling fresh, I'm feeling very tired, I'm not getting any energy to do things or get out of the bed. I think probably I couldn't sleep last night. I was awake, I was working till late, and then I was not able to sleep. So I didn't get proper sleep. That is why I think I'm feeling a little lethargic or sluggish and tired. So I need to take some rest today. So this is how you can just speak about your health, your condition. We all feel something or the other every single day, right? So we can talk about it. So that is why I've chosen this topic, because it is very much in our life. This comes up every now and then. We do talk about this with people, and especially when you have kids at home, very often you are going to talk about it, right? Something or the other will happen to your kid, and you have to talk about it. You have to go and tell the class teacher, you have to write a mail, you have to write a note in the diary. So you have to speak about it. And nowadays weather is changing, so when there's a weather change, people catch cold and other sicknesses. So we do speak about it. We do meet somebody and we feel that somebody is not feeling well. We ask, why? What happened to you? And then the person tells about his or her condition. So this is a very important topic, guys. Don't ignore these kind of topics. These are very small talk topics or small conversations, right? So when we start taking up these small conversations and we get comfortable speaking about it, it will be much easier for us to have longer conversations and taking up different other topics to speak in English, right? So we are building a foundation right now. So start taking up simple topics, small topics, and start talking about it. So if you start taking up these topics and if you start speaking on it or practicing on your own and start speaking with people about it, it will be much easier for you to gain confidence and fluency gradually while speaking in English. So start taking up these topics, start practicing it at home and start speaking with people outside. Okay, it is absolutely going to help you in gaining fluency and confidence. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.